Hi, it's John Feigenbaum, CDN publisher, and I want to share with you today a few new things we've added to the website and some upgrades that we've made that are really super in terms of looking at pricing and monitoring CDN prices on the website. For starters, I've already logged in my account, as you can see, from the avatar loaded and my name. And I'm going to go straight into market prices, of which you can go to US coins, currency, or modern China coins. I'm going to start today with US coin pricing, and the rest is true for currency and China coins. So here I click, and the new dashboard landing page opens. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner than it was in the past, and we've added sample images for the categories to make it easy to navigate. I will jump in first at something like Flying Eagle Sense. So what you'll see here is that there's a quick series overview. There's an image gallery, which will be loaded with thousands of images shortly, but today we have just a few. And then you have the series listings for everything in that series. So in this case, let's jump in at the 1856 Flying Eagle and take a look at pricing. So what you can see here now is we have full pricing on this coin from good 4 all the way to MS66. We have far more pricing than we can ever put in print. So we really think you should refer to this website when you're doing your pricing and evaluate everything. We've added features like previous and next, so you can jump to the next item within the series. You can go back to the series listings by clicking this button, or you can even click the heart to add this to your watch list. So I'll add the 56 to my watch list for fun. And now, as you see, it says remove. And in the meantime, we can see all the different pricing for 1856 Flying Eagle Sense. And let's just check what more detail we can find. And if you click on the coin in MS63, as an example, you will now see the detail page of the 1856. Its gray sheet wholesale price is $18,000 and the retail price is $21,800. You can see from our historic pricing chart that the value has gained steadily over time. So in about 2002, we were looking at a $10,500 price. Now here we are in 2019, and we are closer to about 17,000. Or 18,000. So that's pretty interesting. And you can also see this bubble chart of the auction prices realized and where the prices have landed relative to the gray sheet prices. I think this is one of the most interesting things we've added to the site, and I think it's vastly important. It's critical to understand this is only available to subscribers of the gray sheet, and the same as information is available in currency for subscribers to green sheet. We will continue to add features and benefits to our subscribers, so we encourage you, of course, to subscribe and get all of this data. If you were a member of our CDN exchange, our bidding system, then you could easily get to this item to place a bid. If you think 18,000 is less than you would pay for this coin, for example, you'd say, I'm a buyer at 18,500. You come to CDN exchange, post a bid of 18.5, and then Graysheet can follow that and post a new value of 18.5. We rely on CDN exchange for a lot of bidding, especially in the CAC markets, but more and more in all of the markets. I want to show you a more interesting series that has more data points like Morgan dollars. So I'll click here. We'll take a look at Morgan dollars. And you'll see that, of course, the series listing of all the Morgan dollars is right here, easy access for you. And we'll pick an interesting coin like 1894.0. And you will see that we also have blue sheet data and CAC pricing for this coin. So as we scroll down, everything from AG3 to MS65, 94.0s aren't known in MS66 or higher, so we don't price them. But we also have CAC pricing in 63, 64, 65, and blue sheet pricing in these grades as well. So let's take a look again at the MS63 grade historically. And we can look in detail at the values, very quick snapshot. And then we can also see this amazing chart of historical pricing that includes the blue sheet and the gray sheet, including auction records. This is a powerful chart that you can actually remove things, like you can remove the blue sheet if you think that's noisy. You can remove the auction records to get a clear picture of how this price has changed over time. I'm going to restore them all and show you quickly that you can zoom in on an area. So let's say we just want to see this time period. We can hover in, and now we're just looking at a window from about 2015 to 2019. So it's a very powerful tool. If we scroll down, we can see the auction record data for this item, and we can click easily to see that Heritage has sold one recently for $33.60. Prior to that, $3,600, $3,900 at David Lawrence Rare Coins, $38.40, and you get the idea. You can click on any of these to see the item at the auction house. It's an incredibly valuable tool to get to the information you need when you're making your buying and selling decisions on rare coins. So the same information is also available in currency and modern China issues. We are continuing to build our back-end database to make it richer, more auction data. In currency, we are working with Stax Bowers and Lynn Knight, as well as Heritage and David Lawrence, and any other company that's willing to give us their data so we can fill in as much of the gaps as we can to help users like yourself, understand the best pricing and make the best buying decisions you can. So hopefully you're a subscriber to the Gray Sheet. If not, we encourage you. You can see most of the information without a membership, but you cannot see pricing history or wholesale data. So you'll see the CPG retail price, and you will see the auction prices realized and the catalog data for these series. You just cannot get to the wholesale pricing or historic information. So better to be a subscriber, gets you a lot of benefits, and we look forward to bringing you more and more information and make your decisions better and better. Thank you very much.